In this video, I will show you how to use Uber Eats Pro Card. So you can actually utilize your Uber Pro Card if you are actually earning with Uber. It can serve as your debit MasterCard and bank account powered by Branch. So you can learn more by going to the driver app of Uber. So let's click on this button right here. Now, as you can see, you can just head over and install the Uber driver on your country wherein you can drive and deliver. Now, first things first, you first need to log in from there. Just click on the account right here. As you can see, I've already logged in. So what you can do is you can just go to uber.com and then log in using your phone number, Gmail, Microsoft, or anything. Once you're done with that, and you're actually a recognized driver, you should be able to have your Uber Pro card upon request. It will have your delivery, your tip, your balance. You can pay it at your pump and you can use it for cashbacks. So that's how you use Uber Eats Pro card. I hope this video helped you out.